បាទជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនសូមស្វាគមន៍ជួបគ្នាម្ដងទៀតតេតងជាមួយនឹងការសិក្សាទៅលើគុណនាមរបស់យើងគឺ quantitative adjective ដដែលណាប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុងមេរៀននេះខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្ជាក់ពាក្យមួយចំនួនគឺតេតងជាមួយនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ some ខ្លះហើយនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹងពាក្យ any ខ្លះអញ្ចឹង some ក៏យើងប្រើថាខ្លះ any ក៏យើងប្រើថាខ្លះគឺខ្លះដូចគ្នានៅពេលណាដែលយើងប្រើ some នៅពេលណាដែលយើងប្រើ any when we have to use some and when we have to use any in the sentence okay so we use some with positive request and offer ដូច្នេះយើងប្រើពាក្យ some ជាមួយនឹងប្រយោគស្រប positive ស្រប request ហ្នឹងគឺស្នើប្រយោគស្នើសុំហើយនឹង offer នឹងការផ្ដល់ឲ្យអូខេប្រយោគផ្ដល់ឲ្យអីមួយណាយើងប្រើ some បន្តិចទៀតយើងរៀនឧទាហរណ៍បងប្អូនយល់ប្រយោគស្របមិនទៅ request មិនទៅប្រយោគស្នើសុំមិនប្រយោគផ្ដល់ឲ្យមិនអូខេយើងប្រើនេះប្រែថាខ្លះប្រើជាមួយប្រយោគសំណួរបដិសេធសំណួរហើយនឹងបដិសេធអូខេយើងប្រើនេះណាស្របប្រើជាមួយនឹង some ប្រើជាមួយស្របហើយនឹងប្រយោគស្នើនិងប្រយោគផ្ដល់ឲ្យហើយពាក្យ any យើងប្រើជាមួយនឹងប្រយោគសំណួរនិងបដិសេធអូខេឥឡូវទី1គឺយើងសិក្សាទៅលើពាក្យ some ប្រែថាខ្លះ In general we use some in positive sentence in general ជាទូទៅណា in general ជាទូទៅ we use some យើងប្រើពាក្យ some ហ្នឹង in positive sentence នៅក្នុងប្រយោគស្របណា positive sentence ប្រយោគស្រប but not always ប៉ុន្តែមិនជានិរន្តរ៍ឬក៏មិនជានិច្ចកាលនោះទេណា we usually use some in request or offer when we expect the answer yes we use some យើងប្រើពាក្យ some ហ្នឹង we use some យើងប្រើពាក្យ some ហ្នឹង in request នៅក្នុងប្រយោគស្នើ or offer ឬក៏នៅក្នុងប្រយោគផ្ដល់ឲ្យ when we expect នៅពេលដែលយើងរំពឹង expect រំពឹង when we expect នៅពេលដែលយើងរំពឹង the answer ចម្លើយ yes នៅពេលដែលយើងរំពឹងថាចម្លើយហ្នឹង yes អញ្ចឹង some ណាយើងប្រើ some អញ្ចឹងក្នុងប្រយោគស្របនិងប្រយោគ request ហើយនិង offer នៅពេលដែលយើងរំពឹងថាចម្លើយហ្នឹងគឺបានមក yes ហើយ examples ឧទាហរណ៍ I need some money to buy a new car I need some money ខ្ញុំត្រូវការលុយខ្លះ I need ខ្ញុំត្រូវការ some money លុយខ្លះ to buy ដើម្បីទិញ a new car ឡានថ្មីណា a new car ឡានថ្មីអញ្ចឹងប្រយោគហ្នឹងជាប្រភេទប្រយោគ positive នេះខ្ញុំដាក់ក្នុងមុខកញ្ចក់ដាក់ P ហ្នឹង positive ស្របអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ some money លុយខ្លះអូខេខ្ញុំត្រូវការលុយខ្លះ some money to buy a new car ដើម្បីទិញនៅឡានថ្មីមួយI want some of my students to know English well I want ខ្ញុំចង់បានឬក៏ចង់ឲ្យសិស្សរបស់ខ្ញុំខ្លះចេះភាសាអង់គ្លេសយ៉ាងល្អអញ្ចឹងពាក្យថា I want ខ្ញុំចង់ some ខ្លះ some of my students សិស្សរបស់ខ្ញុំខ្លះខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យសិស្សរបស់ខ្ញុំខ្លះ to know English ដើម្បីចេះភាសាអង់គ្លេស well យ៉ាងល្អអូខេអញ្ចឹងប្រយោគស្របទៀតណា positive អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ some បងប្អូនប្រើ some He want to solve some innocent people problems He wants to solve គាត់ចង់ដោះស្រាយអញ្ចឹងពាក្យ solve នឹងដោះស្រាយ He wants ចង់ He want គាត់ចង់ to solve គាត់ចង់ដោះស្រាយ some innocent people problem បញ្ហារបស់មនុស្សឬក៏បញ្ហារបស់ប្រជាជនដែលគ្មានទោសកំហុសខ្លះអញ្ចឹងពាក្យ soul នឹងដោះស្រាយហើយពាក្យ innocent ហ្នឹងគឺប្រើដែលគ្មានទោសកំហុស people មនុស្ស people's problem បញ្ហារបស់មនុស្សបញ្ហារបស់មនុស្សដែលគ្មានទោសកំហុសអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើគាត់ចង់ដោះស្រាយបញ្ហារបស់មនុស្សឬក៏ប្រជាជនដែលមិនមានទោសកំហុសខ្លះ Would you like some tea តើអ្នកត្រូវការតែខ្លះទេអញ្ចឹងពាក្យ some tea នឹងតែខ្លះ Would you like some tea តើអ្នកត្រូវការតែខ្លះទេ Would you like some tea ta nè tới cả tài class tê chính chịu việc offer nó chịu việc đào ao would you like something to eat ta nè tới cả bỏ class đầm bầy hộp tê chứ bao bốn nơi không ví dụ nếu như khơi miên nhà xua chứ bao bốn kết tháp vi chịu việc sầm nuôi nè nè thì would you like something ta lúc tới cả thực tài class tê chứ dương chỉการนำประโยชน์ offer คือยังประดาต่ออีกเกณฑ์เช่นยังสู้เนี่ยตีถ้าเถิดการตายอ่อนบ่เถิดการชมยัวตายอ่อยเมนในท่ายังประดาต่ออีกเกณฑ์ตอนนี้อ่อนตอนนี้เนี่ยต่อกันโอเคwould you like something to eat ตอนนี้เถิดการบอกกลางไม่โฮปเตนี่ยังสู้เกย์บ่สันจิเกเถิดการยังยัวต่ออีกเกณฑ์เนี่ยฉันคือประโยชน์นั่นคือ offer นั่นประดาอ่อยวิจิประเภทประโยชน์สำนวนเปิดเม้นแต่วิเลขขนาดจี offer จีประโยชน์ประดาต่ออีกเกย์Would you like some tea ตอนนี้ตระการตายคลาเต้ Would you like something to eat ตอนนี้ตระการบอกเนี่ยคลายามเต้Can I have some money Can I have some money ตาชมไอเมียนลุยคลาเต้ Can I have some money ตาชมไอเมียนลุยคลาเต้จังประโยชน์นี้สำนวนเปิดแม้แต่จีสำนวนแบบ request นั่นคือสนาสมตัวเกวิงคือยังมีในท่าประโยชน์ request นั่นคือยังสนาสมตัวเกมาดองการมุ่งยังสนาสมยังบ่มรายโอเคแล้วก็ยังสนาสมเก๋บ่มรายยังวิ่งมาดองนั่นอยู่ request นะเนี่ย Can I have some money ตาชมไอเมียนลุยคลาเต้โอเคจังบัสันเมียนโยมเอาชมคลามานะจังคือยังสนาสมตัวเกไว้ยังนั่งนะให้บอก offer ยังประดาต่อโอเค the request ยังสนาสมตัวเกไว้วิเคราะห์เนี่ยจังนะจังประเภทนี้คือจะประเภทสำนวนแบบ request ให้สู้ข้อนี้กันไหลนะข้อนี้กันไหลเนี่ย would you ให้ดับประโยคrequest would can I จังเลยนะis there anybody I can speak to is there somebody I can speak to ตามมีนนามมันเนี่ย somebody นนามมันเนี่ยชมไอเนี่ยยีตการมันเต้ I can speak to ชมไอยีตการมันเนี่ยจังวิจิประเภทประโยชน์สำนวนปัดแมนปัจจัยยังปราซัมเนี่ยอะไรเนี่ยหาได้มายังปราซัมปีปลัวยังกึศทาจะบ้าจำหลายจะบ้าจะยายให้ยังกึศขนมจัดยังจำหลายจะบ้าจะเมียนรอยเพียร้อยอ่ะ Is there somebody I can speak to ตามมีนนามเนี่ยชมไอยีตการมันเนี่ยให้จำหลายจะบ้าจะยายให้ยังกึศจังอ่ะมันยังเห็นปราซัมอะไรเนี่ยCan I go somewhere quiet? Can I go somewhere quiet? ตาชมไอเตอร์กลายน้ำมวยได้สงัดเสียมาเนี่ย quiet นั่นสงัดเสียมั้ยเนี่ยจังจำหลายบางคนก็ทำ yes ก็ทำ yes ให้จังให้บางจะบางคนปราซัมนักลงไปอยู่สำนวนมวยนั่งโอเค What's wrong ตามีเรื่องอะไร What's wrong ตามีเรื่องอะไร Do you have something in your eyes? Do you have something in your eyes? ตาเนี่ยมีน่ะไอ้นักนงพเนจระบาดเนี่ยหรือจึงยังปรา something มีในระบาดคลาหรือก็ระบาดไอ้มวย in your eye นักนงพเนจระบาดเนี่ยหรือยังปราจังคือขนมกันไหนเดี๋ยวยังคิดให้จำหลายจะมาจีใหญ่ให้นะบางคนบางยังปราซ้ำขนมอยู่สำนวนจังวิมีลักษณะเวียปันนั้น the answer yes จำหลายคือ yes นะโอเคแล้วยังช่วยดอจำนวนมวยติดคือ any ยังปรา any มาดอง any ปราจมวยประโยคสำนวนให้น้องปะได้ใส่กลายนี้ประโยคสำนวนแต่จะเสร็จอ๋อมาทำตะเปียประโยคจังกลายน้องยังไปทำเป็นสำนวนน้องปะได้ใส่ In general we use any in negative sentences and question sentences in general นึกนงลักษณะตูเตอร์general ตูเตอร์มันในจิตตูเตอร์ยังปราปีอันนี้นึกนงประโยคปฏิเสธ and question sentences ให้นึงประโยคสำนวน also พองได้ we use อันนี้ยังปราอันนี้ after if เนื้อปีขังกรอยปี if and we use อันนี้ for another meaning ให้ยังปราปีอันนี้สำหรับอรรถนัยเสงติดfor another meaning and meaning อัตนัยสำหรับอัตนัยเสียงเตี้ย it can mean วิอาจมีในท่า it doesn't matter เวมันมีปัญหาไอ้หนูเตหูหนูน้ำมันเนี้ยเวกหลายน้ำมวยเอาวัดหรือก็เรื่องเอาไว้มวยโอเคจังเย่จอมเต๋อบางคนดังแต่ปนังบานดังท่า យើងប្រើឯនេះនៅក្នុងប្រយោគបដិសេធហើយនឹងសំណួរចេះប៉ុណ្ណឹងទៅហើយអាដតីតិចតួចទៀតហ្នឹងយើងមិនគិតច្រើនទេកុំឲ្យវាពិបាកស្មុគស្មាញចិត្ត examples ឧទាហរណ៍ I don't buy any flowers for her during Valentine Day I don't buy any flowers ខ្ញុំមិនទិញឲ្យនាងនៅផ្កាខ្លះនោះទេអញ្ចឹង any flowers ផ្កាខ្លះ I don't buy any flower ខ្ញុំមិនទិញផ្កាខ្លះនោះទេ for her សម្រាប់នាង during អំឡុងពេល Valentine Day Valentine Day នឹងថ្ងៃបុណ្យនៃក្តីស្រឡាញ់ Valentine Day អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ any មកព្រោះតាប្រយោគនោះវាបដិសេធនេះ don't នេះ I don't នេះខ្ញុំមិនអញ្ចឹងវាយើងប្រើ any ទៅត្រូវហើយណាPeter is lazy Peter គឺខ្ជិល He doesn't do any work គាត់មិនបានធ្វើការងារខ្លះនោះទេអញ្ចឹងពាក្យ doesn't មិនអញ្ចឹងបដិសេធអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ any មក He doesn't do any work គាត់មិនបានធ្វើការងារខ្លះនោះទេ I'm not hungry ខ្ញុំមិនឃ្លានទេអញ្ចឹងពាក្យ not នឹងបដិសេធទៀតណា I'm not hungry ខ្ញុំមិនឃ្លានទេ I don't want ខ្ញុំមិនចង់ don't បដិសេធ I don't want anything to eat ខ្ញុំមិនចង់បានរបស់ខ្លះដើម្បីហូបនោះទេ anything ពេលនេះសម្រាប់លើរបស់ញ៉ាំ I don't want anything to eat ខ្ញុំមិនចង់បានរបស់ខ្លះដើម្បីហូបនោះទេ She went out without any money She went out នាងបានចេញទៅខាងក្រៅដោយមិនមានលុយ without any money ដោយមិនមានលុយអូខេ I don't buy flower for her during Valentine Day ខ្ញុំមិនទិញផ្កាឲ្យនាងទេអំឡុងពេលថ្ងៃបុណ្យនៃក្តីស្រឡាញ់អូខេប្រយោគហ្នឹងហើយPeter is lazy Peter គឺខ្ជិល He doesn't do any work គាត់មិនបានធ្វើការងារខ្លះនោះទេអូខេប្រយោគហ្នឹងក៏ហើយដែរ I'm not hungry I don't want anything to eat ខ្ញុំមិនឃ្លានទេខ្ញុំមិនចង់បានរបស់អីដើម្បីញ៉ាំនោះទេ She went out without any money នាងបានចេញទៅខាងក្រៅដោយមិនមានលុយអូខេប្រយោគហ្នឹងក៏ហើយដែរអូខេនេះជាប្រយោគថ្មី He refused to eat anything He refused to eat anything គាត់បដិសេធមិនញ៉ាំរបស់ខ្លះនោះទេអូខេ Hardly anybody passed the examination កម្រមាននរណាម្នាក់ប្រឡងជាប់អញ្ចឹងពាក្យ hardly នឹងកម្រ hardly anybody កម្រមាននរណាម្នាក់ pass the exam ប្រឡងជាប់Have you got any problem in your family តើអ្នកមានបញ្ហាខ្លះទេនៅក្នុងគ្រួសាររបស់អ្នកអញ្ចឹងពាក្យ Have you got តើអ្នកមាន any problems បញ្ហាខ្លះទេ in your family ក្នុងគ្រួសាររបស់អ្នក I'm hungry ខ្ញុំឃ្លាន Do you have anything to eat តើអ្នកមានរបស់ខ្លះដើម្បីញ៉ាំឬទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនមេរៀនរបស់យើងប៉ុណ្ណឹងដល់ទីបញ្ចប់សូមអរគុណសម្រាប់ការតាមដានទស្សនាសូមបងប្អូនកុំភ្លេចចុច Subscribe និងចុច Share ដើម្បីទទួលបានមេរៀនថ្មីៗល្អៗពីខ្ញុំ